Week at a glance by Vishal Kuraka.
GST inflows crossed rupees 1 lakh crore in October. Revenues from the goods and services tax surpassed rupees 1.05 lakh crore in October, up 10% from a year ago and the highest recorded since February 2020. Writer Paul Sakria bags Edutachan Puraskaram. Writer Paul Sakria has been selected for the 28th Edutachan Puraskaram, the highest literary honor of the state government. Culture Minister A.K. Balan said that Sakria was chosen for the award for his contributions to Malayalam literature. Chennai-born Priyanka is New Zealand's new minister. Priyanka Radhakrishnan on Monday became New Zealand's first ever Indian origin minister after Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern inducted 5 new ministers into her executive. Joe Biden elected 46th President of the United States. Democratic candidate Joe Biden was elected the 46th President of the United States late on Saturday morning, beating incumbent US President Donald Trump by securing more than the required 270 of the 538 Electoral College votes needed to win the White House. India successfully launches Earth Observation Satellite EOS-01. India successfully launched its latest Earth Observation Satellite EOS-01 and 9 international customer spacecraft on board a Polar rocket from the spaceport here on Saturday in its first mission this year amid the COVID-19 pandemic. It's a long journey to distribute fortified rice at government schools. The government is planning to expand supply of rice fortified with iron, vitamin B12 and folic acid on a pilot basis from 15 districts to 15 states with the aim to curb anemia. Indian American Democrats re-elected. All the 4 Indian American Democratic lawmakers, Ami Bera, Pramila Jayapal, Ro Khanna and Raja Krishnamurthy have been re-elected to the US House of Representatives. Yashwardhan Singha sworn in as CIC. Yashwardhan Kumar Singha was sworn in as the country's new Chief Information Commissioner by the President.